Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's me, Adam. In this video, I want to share with you guys this article that I saw on Yahoo Finance of the top upcoming IPOs for 2021 and for 2022. So without further ado, the first one on the list is going to be Stripe, which is going to be through IPO or direct listing sometime in 2022 for a valuation of $100 billion, with the most valuable US startup, which is already competing head-to-head in the payment space with Square and PayPal, is reportedly seeking a 2022 IPO or direct listing. The 11-year-old company, founded by two brothers, John and Patrick Collison, may be one of the largest listings on record. The last funding round in March valued the company at a $95 billion, but sales in the private market suggest a valuation as high as $152 billion. Given the 22 timetable, its valuation could be materially different by then. So again, kind of similar to Coinbase, it kind of reminds me of where, with IPOs and even Airbnb and all these different ones, they fluctuate all over the place, and Wall Street doesn't really know how much to price them. So let's take a look as well at Rivian. So it's going to be an IPO sometime in October or November, and this one's exciting. I know Amazon, which we're going to see in this article over here, and I think Ford is invested in them as well. So only weeks ago, the electric pickup truck maker finally got the green light from 3 regulatory agencies to sell its R1T battery electric pickup to customers. Rivian, which is backed by Amazon, Ford, T. Rowe Price, and Fidelity, is looking to launch its R1S SUV sometime this fall. Rivian hopes to raise between $5 billion and $8 billion in its IPO, which would peg its valuation at about $80 billion. And I think Lucid right now, just to compare, is about, 40 billion dollars or so. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson lobbied Amazon chairman Jeff Bezos to coax Rivian into building new $1.39 billion factory near Bristol, Sky News recently reported. Next one, Instacart, listing type IPO, listing timeline 2021 as well, valuation $39, and they are deliveries for groceries. So one of the very few delivery services to not go public yet or get scooped up in a merger play. Though DoorDash did hold talks with the company earlier this year, Instacart is also one of the few remaining mega unicorns. The largest grocery delivery agent in the US was last valued at $39 billion from a $265 million funding round in March, up 120% from its previous funding round 5 months earlier. As it beefs up its corporate headcount, it's also engaging in new projects. In mid-September, Instacart partnered with Kroger to launch a Kroger Delivery Now program nationwide with delivery times as low as 30 minutes, which is actually pretty fast. When I look at these kind of companies, guys, with Instacart and DoorDash and Uber Eats and Skip the Dishes and all these different companies, the one big thing when it comes to investing in companies for the long term, for me at least, is moat. Does the company I'm investing in have some kind of market advantage, whether that's in market share or first to market or moat or whatever it is? It has to have something special about it. And when it comes to Instacart and these kind of companies, it's how do you choose between all of them when they all kind of do the same sort of kind of service? So anyway, the next one is Reddit. And this one's going to be pretty popular, especially with Wall Street bets and all that. So Reddit listing type IPO sometime in early 2022 with a valuation of $15 billion. So the Robinhood Markets Hood IPO in July was only a foretaste of the feast to come for the Reddit army, which is looking forward to the IPO of its namesake early next year. In August, Reddit raised $700 million, in part to build its business and attract new users. That round valued the social media network at $10 billion, but since then, Reuters has reported the company is looking for a $15 billion valuation. Whether the stock goes to the moon or leaves early investors unfortunate bag holders, meme stock aficionados will be keeping a close eye on this listing. And the last one is Acorns Grow. It's going to be through a SPAC sometime in 2021 with a valuation smaller than the other ones at $2.2 billion. And this is a 9-year-old company that brings micro investing and robo investing to the masses, is set to list on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol OAKS. Once Acorns completes its planned reverse merger with Pioneer Merger Corp, a SPAC that went public itself in March, Acorns CEO Noah Kerner will continue to lead the company along with his management team. Acorns is looking to grow its user base to 8 million users by 2023 and generate revenue of $309 million that year, which would be up 335% from its 2020 reported revenue of $71 million. And this company reminds me a lot of Hims and Hers, with the kind of growth that you see. And I know the different sectors and different stocks completely, but Hims and CuriosityStream, those smaller capped companies with a lot of potential growth. And anyway, so that's what I just wanted to share this article with you guys. And let me know, guys, in the comments below if you're looking to invest in any of these companies for the long term. As well as always, share, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.